Sciencecast.net, the latest news from the world of science.
Hi, this is Thomas and this is Sciencecast.net, the first video podcast. Today we are talking about traffic, rain and accidents. Going out for a drive in the rain? A study by a researcher at the University of California, Berkeley provides data how risky that road trip might be. In an analysis of more than 1 million fatal crashes in 48 states, Daniel Eisenberg was surprised to find what the more it rained or snowed in a month, the fewer deadly traffic accidents there were. Specifically, in any given month, an additional 10 centimeters of rain is linked with a 3.7% decrease in the fatal crash rate. He also discovered that the risk of an accident on a rainy day increases with the length of the dry spell preceding it. If there has been rain or snow day after day, the danger due to wet conditions falls. For instance, he says, if it rains a centimeter today, on average, there will be no increased risk of fatal crashes if it also rained yesterday. But if it's been 2 days since the last rain, then the risk for a deadly accident increases by 3.7%. If you take it out even further to 21 days, the risk increases to 9.2%, or about 2.5 times more risk than if it only rained 2 days before. The result of the study suggests that transportation departments should consider using electronic roadside warning signs that emphasize the risk during the first rain or snow following a dry spell, said Eisenberg. He also said that lower speed limits in those situations may be beneficial. But there's some more to know. There's a relationship between weather events and traffic operations. Conceptually, it is easy to understand that a major weather event, such as a snowstorm, will lead to lower average speeds and higher delays. However, it is important to understand what this relationship is, or in other words, what causes the weather event to degrade traffic operations. A weather event impacts traffic operations through a chain reaction. The event causes a change in the road environment, which causes a reduction in traffic parameters, thereby degrading traffic flow. The qualitative impacts of weather events are seen easily through this relationship, but the impacts have been historically difficult to measure for a number of reasons. For example, there are many shades of the severity of a weather event, and the impacts are different regionally. For example, a snowstorm in Florida will have more impact than the same storm in Minnesota, and by time of year. Numerous past research studies have shown a quantitative link between various weather events and reduced free flow speeds, saturation, headway, start-up lost time and traffic demand. Some research shows a link between weather events and changes in traffic parameters. However, very little research has focused on the role of roadway environment impacts in causing the degradation in traffic parameters. That's for today. This was Sciencecast, the first video podcast. Bye-bye.
Sciencecast.net, the latest news from the world of science.